Hi and welcome. Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to share some helpful information. Hopefully it'll be helpful to those of you out there who want to start a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not a YouTube guru. I've been on YouTube since 2013 with over 1,000 videos, which doesn't make me, super Mr. YouTuber here. But I do like to help people out. I like to share my own experiences with you guys. So I came across this website, and it's basically on growth strategies for your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Let me minimize my screen here. Boom. Okay, first off, just to let you guys know, I do not read everything verbatim. I'm going to go over this as quick as possible. I'm going to give you the URL, okay, this way you can check it out for yourself. The URL for this here is www.foundr.com, and it's FONDR.com, okay? And the story you're looking for is how to grow your YouTube channel and gain subscribers quickly. So let's scroll down here, and I'm just going to hit the highlights, okay? I'm going to keep this video as short as possible, folks, okay? I don't want to take too much of your time. The reason why I give you URL is so you could read more into it. I know a lot of you people, a lot of you guys out there, guys and girls, whatever, who want to start a YouTube channel, would probably like me to read more into it, but I get tongue-tied reading this because sometimes it's a lot of text to read. And again, it promotes a longer video, and I don't want to take too much of your time. I like to throw the information out there, and hopefully you guys are going to take away. That is the most important thing when it comes to creating YouTube videos, that you guys get a takeaway from it. And for all intents and purposes, that's why I created my YouTube channel, is to help inspire and share. That's what you've on my banner. All right, so let's get right to it. 15 strategies to grow your YouTube channel in 2022. I'm just going to read the highlighted ones over here. Number 1, target the right keywords. Number 2, optimize your profile. Number 3, create top-notch thumbnails. Number 4, title videos like a pro. Number 5, post videos at the best time. Number 6, build and promote your video playlist. Number 7, cross promote your YouTube channel. Yeah, I'll just read these parts here, the highlights over here. Email, social platforms, blog, Quora. Okay, they're giving you ideas on how to get the word out. I do it all the time whenever I create my videos. This video here is going to go on all different platforms, Twitter. Sometimes I put it on TikTok, Instagram. You want to get the word out there, folks. You want to promote your YouTube channel like there's no tomorrow. So definitely cross promote your YouTube channel when you get a chance. Definitely. Whenever you create it, I highly recommend you do it. Remember, consistency is the key to growing a successful YouTube channel. Okay. Number 1, convert your viewers into subscribers. Number 9, engage with your audience. If your audience or potential subscribers or viewers are watching your videos, they may leave a comment on there. So it's always good to interact with them. Don't ignore them. There's times I don't always get a chance to acknowledge the comments left on some of my older videos. But for the most part, when I do come across them, I will acknowledge them, and I think you guys should take that into perspective and do the same thing. Okay. The other one is 10. Produce video series. You could do a video series. For example, let's say you're a person that has an iPhone. You might want to teach people all the benefits of shooting your videos or making videos with your iPhone. You could have a series, part 1, part 2, part 3, whatever. But the thing is, I will say this: after those series are over, try to find something else where you're going to keep those. This way you'll be able to create more videos, because if you do a 10-part series on your iPhone, what happens after that then, So always try to be ahead of the game, you know what I'm saying? You want to be ahead of the pack, especially when it comes to creating videos on a very competitive platform like YouTube, seriously. Okay, collaborate with other channels, which I do, When I collaborate, what I mean by collaborating is I'll either, if I go into a YouTube video and I see it, I will say thank you very much for sharing this video. It's very greatly appreciated. It was very helpful, stuff like that. This way you let the creator know, hey, I'm acknowledging him. I don't get that many. Matter of fact, I don't think on any of my videos, not the newer ones, I don't really get any comebacks on there. No comments. People don't really interact in that part. But who knows? Maybe what's that old saying? No news is good news. I don't know. I wouldn't mind if people would take the initiative to comment on my videos, but they don't. That's okay. It's all right. As long as you got a takeaway from it, that's all that matters. All right. So we got that there. Number 12, when Google search results. Okay. I'll read a little of this here because you might not know what, you might realize what this is all about. It goes on to say YouTube videos are often ranked at the top of Google search results. And with the right optimization, your videos can show up too. To jump to the top results, we recommend targeting keywords that already contain video results of the search engine results page. That's what they call it, SERP, okay? It's a little sample over here, okay? You could check it out for yourself. I highly recommend, you come to this site and read everything verbatim, okay? I mean, I would, but like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, okay? I'll read this part here. It says, for example, you can type skateboarding tricks in Google search and you'll see a list of videos ranking towards the top. However, they aren't necessarily the same videos you see when you type the same phrase into YouTube's search engine. I don't know if you guys noticed that. If you go to Microsoft Bing and you type in a search word or particular word, and you go to your Google search, you're going to see a little variation there. Basically the same, but there's a little variation as far as the search results from one search engine to the other, okay? So you got to experiment with that there, but follow these methods, what these people are talking here, or these particular topics as far as search. You'll see it may be beneficial to you, but definitely look into it. Do your own research as well, okay? All right, this one over here, number 13. So I was telling you before, publish consistently, not necessarily often, okay? Now, I'm not going to again read too much of that. There's enough text to read, and I'll get tongue-tied reading all that, okay? Check that out when you get a chance. Here's another one. 14, always include a call to action, okay? Let's read a little in this. And we mean every video needs a CTA, call to action. Tell your audience exactly what to do with your content when you're watching your videos. CTAs include like and subscribe classic, follow our partner's channel, check out this video of the video, start watching this playlist, join our email list, follow us on Instagram, buy a new t-shirt, visit our website, download the app, share it with a friend, embed this on your website, comment below, ask a question, answer a poll, okay? So you might want to keep that in mind when it comes to the call to action, okay? Okay, number 15. Okay, YouTube Analytics is a goldmine for channel insights. Here are just a few of the metrics you should be checking regularly. Okay, I'm going to read just the highlights here. Views, video subscribers, average view duration, real-time analytics, new viewers versus returning viewers, traffic source. Okay, here you got a video right here, live. I'm not going to play it because I don't want no copyright strikes on my YouTube channel. Excuse me. So you might have, like I said again, you're going to do that at your own leisure, okay? My job is to share this information with you guys out there to help you get started when it comes to creating a new YouTube channel, okay? This video basically is geared towards the new YouTubers out there, okay? And I want to share this information with you guys because for the simple reason is you're just starting out on this platform, hopefully, right? Unless you're just watching it just out of curiosity. All right. Then it goes on to say, I think I did a video about this, grow your YouTube channel and business with your YouTube ads. That's another thing you can do. Now, this is a little different what they're talking. I think you could use this for advertisement purposes as far as like this part goes here. When I was talking about, I think I did a video a while back about creating a YouTube channel. If you're an eBay seller or Etsy seller, whatever. Starting a YouTube channel, first off, it's for free. It don't cost anything but your time and energy and effort. You can use it to promote your business, okay? Like I said, I sell on eBay. I could, have this channel. I could put like a little advertisement on the bottom there. If it's eBay related video, that is. I'm not going to put it here. But you would put like a little advertisement, say, hey, after you do a video, let's say you're doing a YouTube video on the items you're selling on eBay. You could put a little caption there, a little advertisement saying, if you want to see more of my listings, click on this here. And that's another way of advertising your business, okay? You're getting free exposure, right? The only thing you got to get is the hard part is getting the subscribers, and the views. So that's why they say titles and what do you call it? The thumbnails are very important when it comes to creating a YouTube channel. Okay, and when you are creating a YouTube channel, make sure your titles and your thumbnail in alignment with the video itself. Meaning, if I'm going to do a YouTube channel, or video I should say, on iPhones, right? And I put a picture of me going like this, learn how to do iPhones or whatever, record on your iPhone. And then you go there and you see it's something totally different. I'm teaching you something totally different from what's on the thumbnail and the titles. So really be consistent with that, but keep it in relation to what you're talking about, okay? The thumbnail and the title should coincide with the subject itself, or else otherwise, you're going to turn people off. They're going to say, this guy talks about one thing, and then he switches over to another. You throw them off. I mean, and I can understand why people wouldn't hit that subscribe button. They say, why am I going to hit a subscribe button? This guy talks about, he shows you one thing, and he talks about something else. So be consistent with that, all right? And I think that's basically it. The rest here is some other little advertisements here, related posts, whatever. Again, that's why I gave you guys the URL. I am not getting into this. I have no affiliation with this website here. I give it free information. Maybe one day I will have merch to sell you guys. If you want to support the channel, that'd be one way to do it. Or I don't know if they still have Patreon on there. I don't really recall hearing too much about Patreon. I don't know if it's still in existence. Maybe it is, maybe it ain't. That's another way to support the channel. The best way to support my channel right now, for all intents and purposes, if you could hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with the others. And if you want to be notified as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Now, before I close out this video, I just want to say one thing. As I always say, when it comes to creating videos, right here, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, and like I always like to say, I'm not going to repeat that part again, but if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I am wishing you guys all the best and success. Keep at it, share your videos, and I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.